This is exactly how I was able to fix my FC26 Companion app not working. So firstly I had to close that app and instead go to the settings app on my phone. And then in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general and here I clicked on storage. Now we just need to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all of the apps that we currently have on our phone. So we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds for it to load all of the apps here, as you can see. And now when it's done, we're gonna click on the search here, the search bar, and then just search for FC. Actually, sorry, we need to search for Companion. That's how it's actually spelled here. So click on Companion, and then in here just click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load now, so we're just gonna wait and then click on the Reinstall App button. Now just wait for the Companion app to completely update to its latest version. Should be pretty quick in general, so once it's done, go back and try once again. Another thing you can do is to also check that you have a good Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. So if you go into settings here, and then I'm just gonna go back here real quick. Let's check. And then I'm just gonna go back here. So check that you're actually connected here, as you can see. So on the WLAN here. And if everything is okay, try once again and hopefully now it's gonna be fixed for you as well.